Hi, this is Colleen Lehman with the Douglas County Health Department. I'm the Public Health Liaison, and I just wanted to give a quick update about a couple of things that are going on here at the Health Department. We have our next COVID vaccination clinic tomorrow, which is Thursday, April 29th. That will be at the Tuscola Community Building. Our first portion of that clinic will include the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That's the vaccine that had been paused for 10 days after there had been a few isolated reports out of almost 7 million doses, a few isolated reports of a very rare but serious blood clotting disorder. Following that 10 days of review, both the CDC and FDA came back and determined that it is safe and effective for folks ages 18 and up to go ahead and be receiving that one-dose vaccine. So if you have been interested in the J&J vaccine, we're happy to tell you we've still got some openings. You can still sign up for that. Just go to our website at dchealthdept.org, find the registration link for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, sign up, download your QR code ticket and bring it with you to the clinic, and we'll be happy to get you vaccinated. On that same note, we're going to be doing Moderna vaccine first and second doses as well. We do have openings remaining for the Moderna first dose. So at that same website, you can also sign up for a Moderna first dose. You'll need to do that pretty quickly because our clinic starts tomorrow at noon at the community building. So go there right now and get your spot. We strongly encourage you to do so. Moderna is also for ages 18 plus. It is a 2-dose regimen. Both the Moderna has a 94.1% efficacy rate. The Johnson & Johnson 1-dose vaccine has about a 66.3% efficacy rate. So those are your two choices for tomorrow. We'd love to see you there with us tomorrow. So sign up, get your ticket, and come see us. Something else that was a recent development in the world of coronavirus is there were some new masking guidelines that were recently updated. If you are fully vaccinated, and that means that you have had either both doses of the Moderna or the Pfizer and are 2 weeks past your second dose, or you've had the 1 dose and are 2 weeks past that 1 dose of the Johnson & Johnson. If you are fully vaccinated, you are not required now to wear your mask anytime you're outdoors, with the exception of if you happen to be at a very crowded event such as a festival or some large gathering, then it's still recommended that you wear a mask. But otherwise, a fully vaccinated person doesn't have to wear a mask to exercise, to go outside or dine outside with other folks. So that's one of the benefits and pluses of getting vaccinated. If you need any further encouragement on that, if you're fully vaccinated, you also, in most instances, will not have to quarantine if you're identified as a close contact of someone who has been found to be COVID positive. So that is 10 to 14 days of your life you get back, and don't have to spend quarantining. And the other point on that is if you are fully quarantined and you do attend an event like a festival or some other thing where there are capacity limits, your presence there does not count against those capacity limits because you are fully vaccinated. Just 2 or 3 more reasons now for you to make that all-important decision to get your COVID vaccine, and we are here to provide them. So now the other thing that wanted to share with you is every week I do a weekly update with just some facts and figures of COVID-related facts and figures that I usually send out to all Douglas County municipalities and school districts. So I thought I would share with you the most recent figures of those for Douglas County. From April 1st to April 27th in Douglas County, There have been 46 new cases of COVID found through testing, and as of April 27th, our contact tracers on that particular day were monitoring 45 folks, whether as active COVID cases or close contacts to those active cases. The county's 7-day rolling positivity rate percentage, which is one of the key figures that the state will be using and has been using to determine whether which way we go as far as what phase we're in, guideline phase we're in. So our most recent 7-day rolling positivity rate, which was the last configured on April 24th, was 3.1%. Region 6, of which we are a part of, that same time frame, 7-day positivity rate is currently at 2.8%. So we are just slightly above the region's collective positivity rate. Now, according to IDPH figures, the percentage of Douglas County residents who are fully vaccinated as of April 27th, almost 23.5% of our county population has been fully vaccinated. They've gotten their two vaccines and are 2 weeks past that second vaccine. Of those folks, about 66% of those are age 65 plus, and just under 28% are age 16 to 64. You hear the 16 age group, the 16 and 17-year-olds can be vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine. That's the one vaccine that allows someone under the age of 18 to get it. So that's why the 16 to 64 age populace comes in there. Last week, as far as how many vaccines we administered, I'm talking about the week of April 19th through the 23rd, we administered 83 first doses of Moderna, 6 doses of Pfizer, and then 324 second doses of Moderna. So for a total of 413 vaccines were administered directly through the Douglas County Health Department. Again, we've got our clinic tomorrow, the 29th, at the Tuscola Community Building, and our numbers of folks getting vaccines has started to dwindle. So because of that, we made the decision that for the first time with this week's clinic that we would open it up not only to Douglas County residents but any Illinois resident. So we do have about a dozen or so folks from outside the Douglas County borders that are going to be coming in to get vaccines. That's about all that we have right now as far as pressing things. Again, we invite you to truly, seriously consider getting a vaccine. It's the best and easiest and most effective thing you can do to maintain your health and the health of everyone around you. Thanks so much.